This is the macro teaching video part 5 and final part. This video will introduce how to test the expanded G-code after completing it. The procedure involves putting macro alarm strings into the simulator, creating a new main program, and finally using a graphical simulation. To verify that your subprogram function is correct, users should pay attention to the different positions of the expanded G-code in different stages. All these testing items were done in the simulator through Syntec IDE. But due to the limitations of the software itself, macro alarm string file created in Part 3 video had to be put into the simulator in another way. Please right-click on the top tab and click Open the directory of the project. Can open the simulator folder for this project. After opening the simulator folder, follow the path shown on the slide and move the alarm file into the string folder. Create a main program. On the simulator main screen, press F2 Program and then F8 File Manager and then F1 New File. A window will pop up. Input the file name and press OK. The new file will be opened automatically. Edit the main program content according to the expanded G-code specification. For example, we're going to machine a rectangle with 100 mm in length, 50 mm in width, 0 in the center, and 3000 in speed. Input these specifications in the edit window. Note that the decimal point should be inputted. After entering the program, press F7 to enter the graphic simulation page. The screen on the left is the result of the path simulation. This page shows simulation results on the top left, alarm window on the bottom left, and program contents on the bottom right. If the syntax has an exception, an error message will be displayed on the bottom left. If there is no error, the syntax message is blank. Go back to the main program editing window. If we remove Y50, you can see the path becomes a square in the simulation, indicating that the if syntax is valid. Go back to the main program editing window again. If we remove X100 as well, the syntax message will show an alarm, indicating that the if syntax is valid. Go back to the main program editing window again, and then put X100 and Y50 back. At this time, if we remove center coordinate I0, the syntax message will show an alarm, indicating that the if syntax is valid. After the expanded G-code test, the next step is moving the expanded G-code to the macro folder. Files in the macro folder cannot be edited on the controller. Avoid being deleted or edited by the other users by mistake in the original NC file folder. Following the steps can copy the file to USB flash disk and delete the original file G0300. Follow these steps to import the expanded G-code file into your macro folder. That's all the example exercise. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know.